Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you Magpie's new acrylic system. This just launched at the weekend. I was so impressed when I got my hands on this system. It is so easy to work with. The colours are so pigmented, they're so battery. It's an absolute dream to work with, and I'm going to show you guys today of a shimmer acrylic, colour acrylic and a core acrylic. I'm going to go through all the products that you get if you want to buy the complete acrylic kit. I'm going to show you swatches compared to the Magpie gel colours so you can get an idea of the colours that we've got. If you are totally new to Magpie, Magpie is a UK run business by the lovely 𝗀𝗲𝗺𝗃𝗃. Sarah's been working so hard on these acrylic with two of the educators, Sophie and June, to bring out the best product. Absolutely love Magpie Beauty. I've got heaps and heaps of videos on my channel showing you how to apply their glitters and doing different swatch videos, so I'll leave the playlist linked somewhere for you guys to check out if you've never heard of Magpie before. We also have a discount running until tomorrow, Sunday the 25th of August. If you use the discount code SUMMER at checkout, you'll get 15% off anything Magpie. So definitely get on over to the website. I will leave it down there for you guys to check out. And you guys can get 15% off. The complete acrylic kit, if you do want to buy that after the discount on, you will get 20% off of that, and the same goes for the gel kit and the glitter kit, I think. So let's get straight into it. The acrylic, let's talk a moment about the packaging, please. You guys know I love the Magpie packaging. We are currently representing the Magpie towel online as well, but oh, I just love it. It looks so professional. We've got the black and gold, and where is our little one? Ta-da! How stunning. This is what your monomer comes in. You get a nice big 500ml bottle of monomer, and it is HEMA free as well. Then your core acrylics come in 50g tubs. You've got the name on the top there, and you also have the name on the side, like so. And then your colour and shimmer pots, they come in 20g tubs, and you've got your name on the bottom there. So yeah, I'm going to show you a swatch of each. The colours that I've picked to swatch, I've swatched Threadbare, which is like a translucent cover pink. The Buff as well, which is a proper cover pink, where, you know, if you've got a nail biter and you want to give them a French, then you can pop that over the top. The product holds itself really nicely, but it's also really easy to move. It's nice and creamy, so ombres are going to be a complete breeze with this system. These are going to be a walk in the park because you can totally blend these so easily, and there is such a wide range of colours. See the cover pinks, the cover powders, there are 11, so you are covered for all skin tones with these, and I think it's 34 colours that we've got on offer at the moment. The colours I'm going to show you is Loony, which is a neon green, and Princess, which is a shimmery pink. The shimmers are my absolute favourite out of these collections. They're just so pigmented, so creamy, and so nice to work with. See in the video, the product will talk for itself. So love the packaging, love how they look. I'm gonna have to seriously get some more shelves in the salon because Sarah won't stop bringing out so many product ranges. So in the video I've used a size 10 brush, but you have the option of 3 different sizes of brushes that Magpie have. A moment please for the glitter. Yes. Of course the brushes are glittery, which is absolutely beautiful touch. So when you're working, you can, you know, have glitter in your face, which we're used to as Magpie techs. The brushes come in a size 8, 10 and 12. You've got a good difference between. One that I would go for if you're just wanting to get one, I would probably recommend the 8 if you're just doing, you know, salon work, small salon designs. If your clients tend to go for longer nails, then yeah, crack on with your number 10. And if you're doing crazy lengths, then number 12 is your guy. But yeah, I got all 3 because I do lots of different lengths and shapes of nails. But yeah, I should be mostly using my number 8. So love the brushes, really nice to work with, and make sure ratio an absolute breeze as well. What else have I got? Been over the monomer, HEMA free, so if you guys are allergic to HEMA or your clients are, Sarah's got us covered. It's HEMA free. along with lots of other Magpie products. So check them out if you are having issues with that or your clients are. Prep and dehydrate. This is what you're going to use to prep the nail. We just do a dry nail prep for Magpie, and yeah, go over your prep and dehydrate, give the nail plate a good scrub with this, and then you're ready to go in with your primers. Magpie have released a normal primer, an acid primer, and you also get your Don't Be Tacky. This is my absolute favourite top coat. It is no wipe top coat, and it is super shiny, yellowing and chip resistant as well. So yeah, you've got the two primers to choose from, your normal primer or your acid primer, so it's nice to have the option of either. What else do we got? Oh, got nail tips. Look how beautiful they are. So it comes in your wee box like this. These are clear nail tips, and they are matte finish, and they are wellless. Absolutely a dream, because I hate blending tips. So yeah, these are nice and wellless, nice and flexible. You'll see that. You'll see it in there. I'll put it to the side so you can see. But yeah, really good selection of sizes there, and nice and thin, which we like. We also have the glue. Delighted that this is a nice brush-on glue. No faffing about with nozzles and all that. How does it smell? It smells like glue. I love the smell of nail glue. But yeah, some people can't handle it. This is fast setting as well, which we love. But yeah, really nice bottle and a good gripper at the top. Glues can be a total pain for getting stuck and not being able to open it. You know, if you've got like a little tiny lid and it gets glued on. This guy, you're getting that off no matter what. So, love the glue, love the tips. What else I've got to show you? Oh, this feature is so cute. So, also in your acrylic glitter kit, in your acrylic kit, you get a glitter mixing kit. This is super cute. I've never seen anything like this. So what you get is a little tub with the Magpie logo on it, like so. And then you get, how cute is that? So you get a little instruction kit of how to mix your Magpie acrylic with glitters, and then you get a little recipe sheet on the back where you can write what mixtures you've made, and then you've got all these little dots that you can put on the back, write your acrylic number to match your recipe, and then you can keep track of your glitter mixes. And look at your little scoop. It's so cute, so lovely. So yeah, you've got that if you're wanting to get your glitter mix on. Okay, what else have we got? Label maker. This isn't Magpie, this isn't part of the kit, but I know you guys are going to ask me about this. This is how I label my swatch sticks. I've got a video on this. I will put an iCard somewhere so that you guys can see the video for that. I think that is everything. Okay, let's get into the colours. So I'm going to do it by groups. Yeah, I think that's the easiest way. If you want to see actual pictures of the swatches, Sophie has done rakes of swatches. They'll be on the Magpie Beauty page in the Magpie acrylic folder. Same goes for any of the gels or the glitter. If you want to see pictures or sets using them, get yourselves on the Magpie Facebook group. It's an open group and it is super helpful for support, advice and sharing your sets. So yeah, join that if you're not part of it. But let us get into it. Right, so I'm going to begin with like the cleary translucent cover pinks. We have got Ice Queen and Cloud 9. So Ice Queen is your clear and Cloud 9 is your like cloudy white, if you know what I mean. Then we've got your Au Natural, which is like your cloudy pink. And then we have Threadbare, Powder Puff and French Knickers. So colours that I'm going to compare these to, I've just got Magpie, Cat's Got the Cream and Leap of Faith for these. So Leap of Faith is kind of similar tones to Threadbare, and Cat's Got the Cream is, it's not really similar to any. Like, see the gel colours, none of them are exactly the same as the acrylic. So if you've got the complete gel kit, it is totally worth getting the complete acrylic kit because none of the colours are going to be the same. But I've just got these gel colours just to, you know, give you something to gauge by, to show you what these colours are comparable to. Powder Puff and French knickers. I think Powder Puff's going to be one of my most popular. Everybody's going for that, like really light nudes at the moment. I've got next the proper cover-up ones. So these are like your pure cover-up ones. These are going to cover any nail biters, any blemishes, anything like that. We have got In the Buff, Hanky Panky, Between the Sheets, Peachy Bum and Cover Up. Colours that I've compared these to are Nude Jude, Fanny Annie, Good Golly Miss Molly, Crikey Nora and Mamma Mia. So I love the Magpie Nude Gel collection and I'm absolutely in love with the acrylic as well. If you guys know me or my clients, we are total suckers for nudes. Majority of my sets are nudes. Although today I'm rocking the green. This is Claire from, is it 2 summers ago? I think it might be 2 summers ago. She's one of the diamond summer collections. On my short little stubs, looking awfully sorry for themselves, but yeah, this is what I'm rocking today. Next, these are my favourites out of the whole acrylic collection. These are so beautiful. The Shimmer pinks. We have got Barbie, Sweet Cheeks, Diva and Princess. Ah, they're just stunning. They're such like a thin shimmer. You just don't get like gels to look this crisp and shimmery, if you know what I mean. Whereas with the acrylic, it's so nice. I cannot wait to do some sets with these. These are going to be probably my most popular out of the whole collection because my gals love pinks, I love pinks. Sweet Cheeks is definitely going on me next. Yeah, I love the look of that. And gel colours I've compared that to are Funtime Frankie, Flamingo, Moaning Mini and Cherry Blossom. Again, not super similar, but just a rough guide for you guys. Okay, so Pinky Purples, we've got 2 Pinky Purples, we've got Barbie Girl and we've got Drama Queen, also absolutely beautiful. And I've compared these to Magpie Pretty Polly and Magpie Lollipop. Then moving on to our neons, these are totally looking similar in the camera, but see in, I wonder if you'll be able to see it here. See in real life, they are, whoa, what am I doing? They are totally not, yeah, nah, it's not really picking up. So Hot Stuff is like hot pink and Saucy Minx is like hot coral. Well, not hot coral. It's like a slightly more orangey tone. I've compared that to Jumping for Joy. Then the purples, we've got 3 purples. We've got Precious, Cutie Pie and Sugar Plum. Absolutely love the look of these. The Eye Candy, 𝗰𝗿𝗆𝗆, Go With The Flow and Pansy Potter. Yeah, they are super nice purples. Again, purples are super popular in my colors too. Moving on to the blues. These are stunning and I'm not really one for blues. I don't really rate the blues, but these blues I'm on board with. I do really like them. So we've got Baby Doll, we've got Bright Eyes, Dreamboat, Care Bear and Baby Boo. All absolutely stunning. Again, the shimmers are my favourite. I'm a sucker for a shimmer. And I've compared these to Life of Riley, Breakfast at Tiffany's, Caribbean Sea, Silly Billy and Jazzy Joe. Next, moving on to the greens. Yeah, I'm going for a bit of a green phase at the moment, and orange, anything neon-y really. These are super nice. Loony is just absolutely stunning. I know that's going to be super popular with my clients. Sweet Pea as well. I'm loving that. Oh, I just want all the shimmers on my nails because they're so beautiful. And then Apple in My Eye as well is really nice. And I've compared these to Magpie Granny Smith and Magpie Tinkerbell. Yellows, we've got 2 yellows. We've got Butterfingers and we've got Magpie Sunshine. Really nice. I've compared them to Hannah Banana and Busy Bee. Our Sunshine is gone in Scotland. We had her 2 weeks at the start of July and now it's looking like it's probably going to rain now till March. But yeah, we'll live through the sunshine on the top. Matches my sunflowers. So yeah, it's a really nice bright yellow. And Butterfingers is a really pale one. Moving on to the oranges and the coral. This coral is so nice. Fruit Loop Coral, and then we've got Magpie Pumpkin, Magpie Honey and Magpie Foxy. Loop is like a shimmery coral. Magpie Pumpkin is a super nice orange. Then we've got Honey, and then we've got Foxy, which is our neon orange. Again, the neons are so in just now, so that'll be super popular. And I've compared them to Days of Dawn, 𝗱𝗲𝗺𝗃, Darling Clementine, and Ginger Rogers. Reds, we've got two reds. We have got Love Bug, which is your red, and then we've got Heartthrob, which is your burgundy red. Super, super nice. And I've compared these to Bella Rouge and Cherry Pie from the gel collection. Greys, we've got two greys. These are really not comparable to any of the Magpies. We've got Dudette and we've got Trouble. Trouble is your classic grey, and then Dudette is a really darker grey. I like the colour of that. But I have put it next to Misty Morning, 𝗀𝗡𝗃, and Midnight Sky, which is actually a navy, but yeah, just so you can see how dark that one is. And then we've got the shimmers of the golds and the silvers. These are super, super nice as well. We've got Magpie, Angel Face, Golden Girl, Freckles, and Goddess. Absolutely stunning, and I've compared them to Anastasia Steele, April Showers, Queen Vic, and Honey Bunny. I just absolutely love how they look and how like compact the shimmer is, if that makes sense. You just don't get it with gels. So yeah, definitely worth investing. And then finally we've got Magpie Black Widow, which is your black. That is all the colours that I've got to share with you guys today. So yeah, overall, first impressions, absolutely love the acrylic line. Easy to work with, so easy to apply. The monomer as well, I don't even go over that. The smell is not bad at all. I am quite partial to the smell of monomer, but yeah, it was not bad at all. It's got that monomer fruity smell, but yeah, it's really not too overpowering. And it comes in such a nice bottle as well, and we've got the flippy cap too, and it's henna free, so yeah, all thumbs up with that. And I really can't wait to get using these on my clients. If you guys are wanting to see sets using the acrylics already, just keep your eyes peeled on social media, search the hashtags, check out the Magpie Instagram page as well. Course wise, I know you are all going to be asking about courses. Courses are coming on the new product lines. Hang Fire educators are going to bootcamp mid-September, so after that we will know more, about dates, prices, timings, all that stuff. So yeah, just hang fire for now, but yeah, new courses are coming, which is super exciting. And I think that's everything I've got to update you on. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.